contact lenses? I certainly do. And I have been using AOSept. I've been using it for a number of years now because my eyes always used to react to a lot of the other solutions. With AOSept, it is a hydroperoxide base to it. All you simply do is pop it in the little jar, fill it up to the little line there, and what I love about it is it's so easy. You simply pop your contact lenses in the little case, close it up, and like I say, fill your solution up to the little line, pop this in, screw it on, and it bubbles away. And you've got to leave it for a minimum of about 6 hours. But when you come to use it to put your contact lenses in again, simply open the case and your lenses sit on that little bump there, so they're so easy just to pinch off and pop straight in your eyes. And the good thing about it is when the solution has neutralized, it is just like saline solution. So I found it absolutely wonderful for my eyes. A lot more comfort, I can wear my contact lenses a lot longer, and very, very clean and less for touching them. Now, if you're wanting to try AOSept, link is below.